How to see who subscribed you on YouTube. In this video, we are going to teach you, so without any delay, let's just dive right in. For that, you may open up youtube.com in any of your browser. And once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. Now click on your profile at the top right and select YouTube Studio from the menu. Locate it up and click on it. Once you do that, you will be taken to this page. Now from here, what you can do is, under this section, dashboard, scroll down, and when you reach over to the section, you should be finding a list of subscribers right here. Apart from that, we have this current subscriber option. You can look for that in order to look out for the numbers. But if you're looking for subscriber names, the thing is the subscription should be public. YouTube allows us for public subscription, and if any public subscription has been done, you will be finding it right under this section. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to look out who subscribed you on YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.